Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to TechTiger-Academy, my YouTube channel. I'm Ravi Malhotra, your instructor for this entire Checkpoint NGX R80.40 CCSA learning series. So we have reached lecture number 22. We have finished lecture number 21, and in lecture number 21 we discussed about all different types of objects options available for you. And in this lecture, this is a real lab number 10 as well. And in this lecture, I will tell you that how you can create these objects. So I will give you scenarios. I will create these objects right in front of you live on my management server, and you will see it so that you can do it on your own. Lecture number 19 and lecture number 20 are also very important. In lecture number 19, we understood about the gateway object, and lecture number 20, we understood about the security management server object. Another thing that I want to mention over here is that the entire lab that I'm doing, I'm using it on VMware Workstation. I'm using VMware as a platform. Everything I'm running is on VMware, okay? I'm not using any kind of appliances to demonstrate any lab, right? So let us move, guys. That's the first slide. It talks about the different videos, the previous videos and lectures that we have with your links as well. You can download the PDF of this lecture as well from the links in the video in the YouTube edit section as well. So let's move. All right. So this is a real lab. In this lab, create following objects in the smart console. This is about creating network objects. So I want you to create network objects for 192.168.200.0, 137, 237, 70, 71, 72, 80, and 10.1.0. And this should be the name of the object. This should be the brown color, and then this should be the tag. All right. So what I will do, I will start creating these objects for you. Okay. So just please guys see very carefully, and let us start. Right, so that's my gateway. So how we create objects is I'll click on new, I'll click on more, I'll go to network objects, I'll go to network. Okay, so I need to use net management VLAN 70. So it is going to be network management VLAN, then it is going to be 70.0/24. That's the name. Object comment is network object for management VLAN 192.168.200.0/24. So it's some of the typing mistake here, guys. Okay, so please mind that. It is 200.0/24. Okay, it is going to be 192.168.200.0. Net mask is 255.255.255.0. Color is going to be brown color. From here I will choose the color brown, and tag is going to be management and TechTiger-Academy. Tag is going to be TechTiger-Academy, and otherwise it is going to be management VLAN. That's all. It is also going to be 192.168.200.0/24. This is also a tag. All right, so that's all. This one network object is created for you. Okay, so similarly I will create all these objects, right? I will do it in little speed. All right, I'll go to network object, i'll go to I'll go to networks. So this object is created, right? I'll Let me just copy this name only, so that I'm going to use it in all other objects. So I'll click on new, I'll click on network. All right, I'll paste over here net management. This is inside is going to be 70.0. So this is inside VLAN object, It is going to be 192.168.70.0/24 70.0 255 192.168.70.0. Its color is going to be brown. Its tag is going to be TechTiger-Academy. Its other tag is going to be 192.168.70.0/24. Its other tag is going to be inside VLAN. All right, this is done. Next, I'll create another network. I'll click on new network. I'll paste over here net management VLAN net external CIFI 137.0 192.168.137.0. That's the network object. I'll choose color brown over here, and I'll say tag is going to be CIFI, other is going to be internet lease line, other is going to be external, other is going to be WAN, other is going to be 192.168.137.0/24. All right, okay, this is done. Next, I'll create new network object, net external TATA 192.168.237.0/24 192.168.237.0 255 255.255.0. Color is going to be brown. It is going to be TATA. And then it is going to be WAN. One 192.168.237.0/24. I'll click on OK. So we have created 200.0, 70.0, 137, 237. Next, let us create DMZ network, net-DMZ 192 net-DMZ 80.0/24. Color is going to be brown. 192.168 80.0 255 255 255.0, and in the tag section add DMZ. Enter. Okay. Next is that let me teach you right how to create cloning, right? I have to create one another object which is 10.1.20.0. So I can show you how to do cloning. I'll just clone. I'll just right click this object. I'll click on clone, and then I will net. It is a so I'll say app sap 10.1.20.0/24. Remove clone from here. Remove the correct the description. Network for SAP applications 10.1.20.0. Subnet is right. Remove all the tags. TechTiger-Academy is fine. This is SAP, fine. App is okay. 10.1.20.0/24 is okay. And then click on OK. So this object I created, let me create one another cloning object of 81. Right click over here and click on clone. In the clone, I'll say net DMZ net-DMZ prod 81. 81, remove clone from here, give a right description, prod DMZ network VLAN object, and remove the DMZ, add DMZ again, prod DMZ TechTiger-Academy, and then click on OK. Alright, net-DMZ prod 81. So this is how we have learned and we have created these network objects. These network objects can be used either as a source or a destination in security policy that I will show you later on. Let us create host objects, one for 200.1, one for 137.1, one for 237.1, other for 70.5, 80.5, 80.6, 80.7. Let me do that now. I'll cross check here. I'll go to new. I'll click on host. I'll name it as node management 200.1, 192.168.200.1. This is management PC1 and the color is brown. Node management. Okay. Next I'll go to host. I'll say new host node SCSI router 192.168.137.1, 192.168.137.1. Color is brown. That is SCSI router. Okay. New host node TATA router 192.168.237.1, 192.168.237.1. Color is brown. Okay, and give it a tag TATA router. Okay, next is create 80.5 node inside LAN 70.5, 192.168.70.5. Give it inside PC server. Give it a color brown. Okay. Similarly, now let me show you how to do cloning. 70.5, right click on clone and remove the clone word first of all. Make it as to 80.5, 80.5. Enter object command 80.5. That's all right. Okay, right. And let's create one more cloning. Right click over here, clone node SAP app 10.1.20.11, 10.1.20.11. So that's how, guys, we can create host based objects. Okay, network objects we created. This time we created host objects. All right, let us move now. Let me show you how to create an address range. Create an address range object from 70.5 to 70.20 and 80.6 to 80.11. Okay, so click on new, more, network object, address ranges, address range. IP range, inside servers 70.5 to 70.11. Okay, 192.168.70.5, 192.168.70.11, and choose the color as brown, and then OK. Now go back, go to ranges, address ranges here, right click this object, click on clone, and create something for DMZ servers from 80.6 to 80.17. Remove the clone word from here. 80.6 to 80.17. Okay, 192, and click on OK. All right, so that's how we learned how to create address range objects. So this part is also done. Let us create network group objects. Okay, so create a network group objects. Go back here, click on new, more, network objects, group, network groups. Okay, let us go back to the PPT. Name of the it should be group net anti-spoof ETH3. All right, group net anti-spoof ETH3. Choose the color as brown and click on 70.0. Click on 71. It is not there, so I mean, just in as example, pick 80.0. 80.0, 10.1.20.0. You can also add a node as well. Okay, so that's how we created a group object. Let me take you to group and network group. This is the net group anti-spoof ETH3. And then again 80, 81, 82 for SAP networks. We have not created 80, 81, 82 as networks. Let me first of all create that. 80 is there, 81, 82 is not there. So let me create that real quickly. Net DMZ, okay, net 80, 81 is there. Net prod dev 82, and then pick 82 over here. So I have three DMZ, DMZ 80, DMZ prod 81, and DMZ dev 82. Let me add DMZ word here, DMZ dev. Okay, click on OK. So I'll go to new network group net DMZ networks. Okay, I'll click on color as a brown. I'll click on plus icon, and then I will only type DMZ here. You will see the magic that it will automatically load three networks. So it will load 82.0, 80.0, and then 81.0. Click on OK. All right, so that's how we created a group object. Let me take you to the group. So we have created two group objects. All right, so this part is done. This part is done. All right, and then I'm going to show you how to create service object. It says that create a 5006 port number and name this as a Loki app. Okay, So I'll go to new, I'll go to more, I'll go to service, I'll go to TCP. Okay. When I go to TCP, I'll say that TCP Loki app SAP 5006. Protocol is let's say that nothing, match by 5006. Color should be brown. That's all. Okay. All right. So that's how we create it. That's how we created service object in the service. That's the UDP. All right. So search is SAP. So TCP Loki app SAP 5006 is there. Okay. Create a service object for Loki application with UDP port number 5007. So what I can do, I can right click. No, I cannot clone it because I need to create a new service. So I'll click on new, I'll click on more, I'll click on service, I'll go to UDP, Loki app SAP. So I'll give to UDP, Loki app SAP 5007, 5007, and I'll pick color to be brown. All right. And then I'll click on yes over here. So that's all right. So 5006, 5007 objects are created, and I can also create a group object for service as well. That's how I'll do it. I'll go to new, I'll go to more, I'll go to service group, and I'll name this group as group service Loki SAP app. I'll click on plus, and here I'll go to Loki, and I'll see 5006 and I see 5007, right? The moment I select them, they will be shown over here. One is TCP, one is UDP, and I can click on OK over here, right? So that's how I can create a group of service with a mix of TCP as well as UDP service, right? So that's all, guys. So this was the last slide in this lecture. This was lecture number 22, RealLab 10, and we have created network objects, we have created host objects, we have created address range objects, we have created network group objects, and we have also created individual TCP service object, UDP service object, as well as a service group object. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Tech Tiger Academy. Please like and comment, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, guys.